Hey friend, hey, we are making a fitness ebook. You already know we're on Canva, and I did type in ebook cover, and I'm going to change the name to fitness ebook, and I'm going to make like a 12-page fitness guide. So let's get straight into it. Now, I did make this whole ebook from scratch. Link in the description if you want to buy this template or check it out. But the only thing I used was Canva's ebook cover template. Other than that, I did change everything else, and I made the whole 12-page ebook from scratch. So yeah, you can watch the video and learn step by step. Here you see me just changing up the colors of the flowers just so you know I can make it different, so I don't have to copy the exact same template I was using for Canva. And I'm just going to change the words right there and make a random website. I did go back and just name this the 5-day challenge, but yeah, it's a template that if anybody in the fitness industry wants to use or resell, the guide is in the description, the ebook template. And to make life a little easier, I just duplicate from the next page and then just drag it down, same text, just so the ebook can be cohesive and everything's matching. So when creating this ebook, I did try to make it like a 5-day challenge. So it is a template. Everything's edible, like the text, colors, pictures, everything in this whole ebook is edible. So I did try to, stick to actual exercises just to make it easier for whoever buys this template. Now, I'm going to go to photos and type in women working out just so I can add a couple of photos to this second page. Then I'm going to grab some text heading just to add the name of the workouts on each page. Just randomly make these up. I don't know. I barely be working out, so I don't know. Yeah, I'll be trying. But yeah, so I just went ahead and added the name of each exercise, which they can change. Everything in this template, like I said, is edible. Then I went ahead and just used my recents, which is a line. You could just search line, and it is kind of thick. So I did end up turning down the line thickness. And then after that, you're just going to see me duplicate for the second box and the third box as well. Now we're going to drag and drop to the third page. Always duplicate just to make it easier. Adding another photo, just searched yoga, and I'm going to duplicate the text just so I can still, use the same text. Then I'm going to duplicate the text box so I can add some text to the third page. And then I'm going to stretch it out and, make it fit on the page, square it up. This is just random text I got from Google, the example text pretty much. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab a frame, circle frame, and pull that down just so I can add 2 photos on the top and the bottom. kind of like a meet your instructor or, you know, fitness coach type page. So I'm gonna type in some photos as well, fitness coach, and this picture goes really well. I'm just gonna insert the photos. And this is what the ebook is looking like so far. So I do like the way it's coming out. Now we're on the 6th page, and I'm going to go ahead and add another square element, change the color to pink. And I try not to use the same colors back to back. I do like it to flow the whole ebook, you know. Want to mix it up and give it like a real colorful spring vibe. And this page right here is going to be like a recipe type of page. So I did type in cooking healthy food in the photo section, and I'm going to go ahead and add some text in text on the top and bottom. I'm just going to duplicate and bring and drag to that page I'm working on. Now we're going to go ahead and make the 8th page. Like I said, typed in group workout in the photos, drag the photo, just got to, you know, fix it, move it up and down, squish it in. This ebook is really perfect for anybody that's in the fitness industry or anybody who works out. And people ask you, what's your workout plan, what you eat, baby, this is the ebook you need, okay? Like, literally, this is the ebook you need. This ebook is in the description, like I said, the template. And I did add some quotation marks. So this is like a quote type page, you know, just to keep someone motivated. And half of the time, to make this easier, I was just duplicating certain pages. I was moving things around. So a lot of pages, some look the same but different, just different colors. And I would just duplicate it and, you know, add a new picture just to change it up. And you're going to see that right here. And this ended up being the last page that I made. I do make custom ebooks. If you have any questions, leave your comments down below and check for all links in the description. And if you ever wanted to know how to download this, you'll click share. I'm going to go ahead and make this editable just for who anybody buys it. But then you'll go to download and you'll click PDF. Right here, standard for emailing. And you'll click download. It'll download all 12 pages. And let me show you what that will look like. And this is the finished product of the ebook. It came out really good. Like, I can't believe like the way it looks. I love it. So yeah, this template is in the description if anybody wants to view it. As always, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.